Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola and I make content surrounding sneakers and fashion. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple ways I style a black hoodie as well as black sweatpants. Before we jump in, all the information on my sweatpants as well as my hoodie will be down in the description, as well as all the other items I will be styling today. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
To like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I'll let you guys get right back into the video. I hope you guys liked all the outfits that I styled today, and again, if you guys liked one specifically, please don't forget to let me know which one that is down in the comments. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.